CQDX, the Kilo Tango 205. Kilo Tango 205 from Wales in Great Britain call.
The British station, please stand by. This is Tango Charlie, Germany. I can copy you. Over.
Hello, Tango Charlie in Germany. I copy you, no problem at all. Tango Charlie in Germany. Have a good evening. Nice to hear you, my friend. Kilo Tango 205 from the city of Swansea, Wales, Great Britain.
CQDX 31 Papa Alpha Tango 595 calling and standing by frequency 27 390. Thank you so much.
CQDX, Kilo Tango 205 from Wales, Great Britain calling, standing by.
Hello, Tango from Wales. Do you copy 1 Echo Kilo 011?
27.
Echo Kilo 011, Italia. I copy Echo Kilo from Italia, no problemo.
Please, could you have a choice Y on the 27600?
Negative 0, I'm on a CB radio. I don't have zero frequency capability on my CB radio, my friend. Mi dispiace. Very sorry.
Okay, 605.
Okie dokie, 605.
Okay, USA.
605. Content. Takes me a month because I don't know my site. Down one, you cunt. Yes, hello, my friend. Me dispatcher keeping you waiting. My apologies. Yes, I have a copy on you. Hello, my friend. How are you?
Okay, quite well. Here, the situation, it's not so bad. Okay, I repeat my call. 1 Echo Kilo 011. 1 Echo Kilo 011. My operator name is Pino. Papa Italy November Oscar. P-I-N-O, Pino. In Italian language is the short for Giuseppe Joseph. Your report is a 5 and 9 plus 10. Over.
Hello, Pino. Giuseppe. Pino, no problem at all. The 101 is from Italia, no problem. My operatore name is Kevan, Kilo Echo Victor Alpha November, Kevan. From 205 is my station, and from South Wales, the city of Swansea City, South Wales. Back to you, Jill.
Okay, Kevin, please could you repeat your call? I've got only 163 and nothing else.
I am not 163, my friend. I come from Wales in Great Britain. 0 division, negative division. My country is Wales, Whiskey, Alpha, Lima, Echo, Sierra from Great Britain, my friend. Yeah, ciao.
Okay, Kevin, please could you tell me something about your working condition?
This moment is a President Grant number 3. It's a black President Grant number 3. My amplifier is maybe 300 whiskies, and my antenna is Stereo 4 element Yagi. Stereo 4 element Yagi, beaming straight through to Italy at this moment, my friend.
Okay, well, your signal is a booming signal. Your last order was 20 over 9. Okay, Kevin, it has been a great pleasure to meet you for the first time. Enjoy your activity. Congratulations for your setup. God bless you and your family, and my best 73s. Ciao, ciao, Kevin.
Molti grazie, mio amico. Ciao, ciao. Dio bless. Ciao, ciao. Catch you next time. Ciao. 205 with a big wave for you. Toodle pip. Anybody want to speak with 205 in Wales, Great Britain? Bring it on. Hello, Old Jack Radio. You got the 205, the Rubber Goose, the 205. Swansea Bay coming back your way. Come on. Yeah, Roger on the Jack Daniels. I'm doing a couple of cans of the Desperados, Mr. Jack Daniels. That's a big tent for sure. 205 with a big Welsh wave. Nice to meet you. Thank you very much for coming through to my station down in Swansea Bay, Wales, Great Britain, with a big Welsh wave. Hey, 13JD, 13JD, the 205, the Kilo Tango 205, aka the Rubber Goose from Swansea Bay, coming back your way one last time with the big Welsh wave. Hey, Mr. Jack Daniels, catch you next time. Toodle pip. Nice. I love CB radio. It's out there if you speak English.